Hi, Assalamualaikum ladies. So today I'm going to teach you on how to get this look, which I call it hijab and earrings look. You will need four things: white shawl, earrings, hair clip, and shawl pin. It literally took me less than 2 minutes to get this look. It's really easy and fun, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you. Let's begin. You place a hijab on your head, making sure that one end is shorter than the other end, like this. Okay, then you grab the hairpin, twist the shorter end, and place it on your shoulder, like that. Then you grab the longer end, and just wrap it around your head, like that. You would want to fold it a little bit. Then you grab the shawl pin and pin it nicely like that. And this is my favorite part. You pick your favorite earrings. I would go for the white earring as it will pop on my gray shawl. And you just plug it in, just like that. And I'm ready. It took me less than 2 minutes to get this look. Let me know your thoughts on the tutorial, and thank you for watching.